hello to all my amazing fans here at my YouTube channel. I am Laudia Ann Sylvest, and I'm going to give you a review on Sqribble 2024. Sqribble is an ebook creator software that every marketer needs it, every writer, every author. If you love writing ebooks, you need to get Sqribble. Right now, the price has come down a whole lot, and on this site you can get it for $19.99. The normal price is $195. Usually it is $67. Sometimes we have sales that it's like 30 something and change, but today it's $19.99. You get Sqribble. It is amazing. You're going to have reports made, professionally made. You're going to have ebooks professionally made within 30 or 5 minutes. And now Sqribble 2.0 is coming out as our CEO Adil is preparing for it. And Sqribble 2.0 is actually going to be entirely, and that has a lot of more tools, AI tools especially, that you can use. Now right now the beta testers got in early. I'm one of the members of Sqribble, and a lot of members upgraded because Adil's tools is the best out of all the tools out there. You will be spending lots and lots more and tons of cash just to get somebody's product, a vendor selling this, a vendor selling that. But what happens if the vendors leave and don't upgrade their sites, and your tools are lost forever? Now, Adil will never treat you that way. He takes care of his tools. He takes care of his customers. He takes care of his clients. He takes care of you because he believes in that this is going to change your life, and it has changed my life. I have made income with this. You can make income with this. You can sell your ebooks. You can prepare and make ebooks for clients that need help because they don't have the skills for it. But you have all the tools that you need. It's all in this software. It's all in this software. So hurry up. Limited time. It's $19.99. I'm offering it right now on my YouTube channel. Grab it. Grab yours today, and let's get started. All right? Everyone, take care. You want to make amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words. The content actually does it all for you. Easy to use, auto content writer, commercial license too as well. You can even include an agency website that you can hire clients to your website. All right, unlimited pages, sell it. Sell it to everybody. You can give away all your reports or ebooks just to build your mailing list, right? Anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. Check it out. Hit on the link below. Click on it and try it for yourself. All right. Take care, everybody. I'll talk to y'all soon.